Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Little Mermaid's like turquoise teal dress on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the hair. For the hair I use these bangs in this color 993400. Position the 400, position the Y 0.46, and then use this hair in bangs only. Same color, position the Z at 0.44, scale it to 0.57, get this hair in the back toggle and no flowers, no adjustments made. Get this hair, toggle it to no bangs, position the Y at 0.30, Z 0.49, rotate the X to 84, and scale it to 0.35. For the outfit, we're going to grab these sleeves here, color it this color, I think A6C3BA in silk. Grab this and color that the same color. I'm going to just add light silk to that one. And then grab this top, and I'm just going to color it this color first, 538B86, and then the rest, this 76C3A0, if you can, in silk. Get the petal dress in the Queen of Flowers, turn off silver top. Color the first one this color, 538B86, and then in this color, 76C3A0. And then I think I'm just going to do the lighter blue color here. Grab this skirt in that color, in light silk, and then in silk, that like green color again, like the greener color, and then the rest in this color. Whoa. And that is pretty much it. Super simple outfit to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.